As a kid, I dreamt of the mountains of Colorado. I couldn't even picture what they looked like, but I can only imagine. I fantasized about herds of elk in the thousands, mountain goats in the steep cliffs, and an infinite amount of wandering trout in the high mountain streams just eager to take a fly. In 2015, I finally got my first taste of the Rocky Mountains, and I was longing to return ever since. Amidst the pandemic, we decided to take a trip to Pagosa Springs for a week. I couldn't think of a better way to social distance than by camping and fly fishing in the San Juan Mountains.
Look closely, you can see stuff. Oh, look. There's trout all in that little pocket right there. See them right there? See them swimming? There's a bunch right there.
Look at that, man.
What do you think?
Beautiful, man. Look at that.
You ready?
Oh, yeah. Let's go have fun, man. Let's start.
There's fish everywhere in there. In our cutthroat. Just scooped that one.
I have been fly fishing off and on for the past few years. This year, I decided I wanted to commit myself 100%. I bought myself a new rod and reel, flies, boots, waders, and anything else I didn't need but wanted. After reading a number of books, watching hours of YouTube videos, and a few unsuccessful trips, I started to learn the ropes. My second cast in Colorado was awarded by a hungry cutthroat trout.
Look. Ooh! Pop the dry.
Huh?
Pop the dry fly. See that? That's the way it's done. Okay. I think I fixed what the problem was earlier. That wasn't the best cast. I'll let one come and look at it. One came and look at it. Let's see. Right there. That was a good cast. That's a good cast. It's been a while since I got a dry fly bite. Okay, let's see. Wait, there's still hope. Missed the hook set. You missed that one though. Yeah. Oh. Number 5, man. Number 5. Anything? Huh? he's doing. So far, caught in about 7. They're like, I think they're like cutthroat rainbow trout. And they're just all over this stream. I have like 6 in front of me right now. I don't know if you can see them. But I just stopped fishing for a little bit. I was trying to help my dad try to catch one. He hasn't caught one yet. But yeah, it's been a blast so far. It's so beautiful out here. We can pull another one out, textbook like that. Knocked the nymph. Okay, I don't know if I got that on film. Just got another one. Number 9 on the day. Flyer's ready to roll. You know what? A little more slack. Let's get out there. Not bad. Let's see. Ooh, got a hit on my nymph finally. That was a shitty cast. Still got one more chance, maybe. Let's see. Didn't like it. It's a pretty one right here. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Ah, that stupid rock deflected it. I'm trying to get into that shady spot. If I was right-handed, this would be perfect. I can't see over there. It's tricky. Ooh, we're on, baby. On the nymph. Guess I'll leave the nymph on for now. Ah, netted. Hell yeah. Number 10 for the day. Let's see, okay, we're recording. Thank God. Let's do this in here. I need to get this net out more, make it more ready. Look at that hook. Just let me help you. Alright. Be gone. Come on. Ah. Keep hitting that damn rock, man. Still in a good spot. Let's see. Got some takers. Ooh, this guy came after it hard. That's the guy I just caught. Am I on again? Check that out. I got a little guy. Number 11. That looks like a bow on the nymph. Hold up, hold your horses. Look at that. Little fella. There you go. Right there, perfect cast. Ah. All right, we're getting in those. We're getting in the money now, money zone. I think it's number 11. So this guy right here wants to take it. One of these. I think I spooked these guys already. I'm gonna have to move because I can't see my fly. Yeah. Stuck on the rocks. Oh, I almost had one take it right there. Oh shit, I didn't even know he hit it. I don't even think he's still on. Yeah, he's still on. Number 12.
I'm at 14 right now. I wanna make it to hopefully 20, but my goal is 15 right now. So I'm at 14. I want to get to 15 fish. So there's a bunch into this hole. I can see them. Water's crystal clear, and they're hitting my my stimulator and my little black nymph as well. So see if I can pull out number 15, and then I don't know. I might just call it a day, or I might try to catch a couple in the morning. We'll see.
Ah! Number 16, baby. You're a little guy. Little fella. 17.
18. Number 18, little guys. Wild. Number 18 now. 2 more to 20. I have a 20 fish day. By far the most fish I've ever caught in my life. In a place like this. That's freaking awesome. On the fly rod. Man, you gotta love it. Beautiful Colorado. Mountain High Stream. Can't beat it. Right there. That's money. That's money right there. Right there. Don't hook them. That's too hard. You're gonna lose your fly and the fish. Just easy like this, look, until you feel them. Don't move your fly. See, look, there's a fish coming after you. You moved it. Just let it come to you slowly. Right there. That's a good cast. Good spot right there. Oh. Come on. Just let it come. Right there. You on? Oh yeah. You got off? You on him?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, strip it. Keep it tight.
I love the feeling. I want to just feel the feeling.
Come off?
I just still got it.
Keep it tight. Strip it kind of hard. Like long strips. There you go. Good job. Nice.
So nice. Oh wow. Beautiful. Wow. Little guy, but man, that was fun.
Come off?
Yeah. Cool. That's it.
Right there. That's money. Right there. Oh. Right there, good spot. Right there, you're on. Yeah, fast, hard. Make sure you do big, don't give them any slack. Yeah!
That's beautiful, man.
I'm gonna record you catch one right here. Yeah, you'll catch him over there, watch. Alright, reel in. So line, that's all that. Alright, get over there on the left side. Right there. Right there! Here, let me see, bring it over here. Don't get tangled. Alright, that was quick though. You're quick with this. You just missed it. Alright, same spot. Ah, you're on the log. Pull it gently. There you go. Right there. Leave right there. Alright, some fish. Oh, right there. Right there. Are you on? Oh yeah. Right there, you're on! You're on! Whoa, you're on. Yeah. Hold on that. Look at that. Is that cave up there?
I ended my day with 18 cutthroat in the net. I'm I'm not sure if the fish were hungry that day or if I learned something from all the literature and how-to videos. But regardless, it was such an epic day. And it was only day one. I can only imagine what the rest of the trip had in store.